Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Peace be always with you. Welcome to Global Right Path. I am Irshad Mahmood. Topic is global education. World has changed and now even forklifting or auto technician are professionals and students need professional education for all disciplines to be successful in their lives around the globe. To stabilize global world, it urgently needs right education, which may not be without proper organizing skills. Presently, cost of education is getting higher and higher and higher, and it's going beyond the reach of students. Global government needs to take lessons from the Quran, Book of Guidance, to take our burden from the shoulder of students so that they can concentrate more on education. Only waiving of tuition fees may not help completely, but living expenses must be available to the needy as well. Sweden still in 2010 has total free education, and still in 2021, I have heard they have still free education for their citizens. Also has scholarship for those students who are regularly passing their exam on time to cover their living expenses. So Swedes are more dedicated to their education, and they have many good inventions contribution to the global world as well. For example, ExxonMobil, Saab vehicle, Volvo vehicle, Celsius 100-point thermometer, first mechanical calculator, bicycle with brakes, Tetra Pak, battery-powered pacemaker, artificial intelligence, robotics, mechanium wheel capable to move in any direction, and many more. One of the peak of technology can be understood from the story of Prophet Solomon in the Quran. When a person was capable to bring throne of Queen Sheba before the blink of an eye, to take the global world in the right direction to help humanity, we need to be well organized, dedicated, and must have clear direction in a balanced way and depth free, which may not be achieved without taking guidance from the Quran. Difference in income of lawyers, doctors, and other professionals must be balanced so that students can choose any discipline of their own choice if available. Deep study is needed in global government to have clear direction to let the students know where there are more requirements. All professional disciplines must have modern hands-on training in addition to regular classes to train all students to enter the workforce on time. Global government must have clear direction to help students to enter the workforce. No high professional student should be left over at the age of 25 without any job. Other low tech students should be able to enter workforce at much earlier age. It must establish a system where seniors must be able to train new students. Remember, it is not the wealth, gold, silver, or power which could save the people from the global instability. Allah says Qarun, Pharaoh, Haman, and many others for their crime against humanity. Nothing could save them, including their wealth, power, or people. However, the world didn't end there, but even without their wealth and power, it had redeveloped. Those who never faced real poverty for 10 years may never understand its solution unless they have really took guidance from the Quran. It is 100% guaranteed to save whole world globally if we truly apply guidance from the Quran. Global system must be fixed in a balanced way to overcome the global instability in the light of Quran. It must follow the basic rules to tax the greedy, not the greedy. Tax on saving, not on spending, without wasting or overspending. It must ensure that people are not thrown out from their home. Education must be provided to all with internationally recognized high standards for free, which must have good parent-teacher relation. Burden of debt should not be put on students for their studies, including professional studies, so that they can concentrate more on study and acquire more knowledge to help humanity than worrying to how to pay the debt. Earning must be balanced for each skill set people may have so that they don't rush to only few skill sets. Special encouragements must be given to those who sincerely and devotedly work hard to help the global system in a balanced way. Many times, top management neglects those who are the foundation of their team and who are working at lower ranks, and due to ignorance, their morals are down, which might affect productivity. A few from each group must learn to teach others in their society. All professional institutions, colleges, universities must have one global standard without any discrimination. All sex, all seats must be balanced. For example, 10% is international, 10% national, 10% provincial, and rest 70% for local students. And in case of few application from international, national, provincial, all available seats must go to local students. Repeatedly relying on same corrupt or incompetent person will not change the fortune of nation. Do not even think to reappoint those who have failed to protect corruption in the land. Thank you.